Sometimes you want to really emphasize some words. And in HTML, we have a group of tags that can help us with that. So let's say we have a text here called or written as I really love programming. What if we wanted to emphasize really so that it says I really love programming? So initially, this is how it looks. You have the heading and then you have the text. But let's go ahead to add an emphasis. Now this will make it italics, just like the italics you have in your text editors. We surround this with the EM tag, so the opening and closing tag. This will give it the italic look to emphasize that text. So when it prints this out, or when it displays this on the web page, whatever is surrounded within the EM tag will be in italics, thereby emphasizing whatever is within the tag. If you look at the updated web page, you will notice that really is now in italics. And that's the purpose of using that EM tag. There are other things you can do, but this is the foundational basics. We have another option. What if you don't necessarily want italics? Let's say you want a bold look, like when you have bold in your Microsoft Word, you want to bolden a word. You use the strong tag. Strong. So let's surround love with strong. The effect of this is it will make the text love bold in the web page. So you have EM and strong. EM is italics, while strong will give you a bolden look for your text. So look at it. You have I really love programming. So love is in bold and really is in italics. You can play around with these tags depending on what you want and the best use depending on the scenario.